Hello students, how are you? How is your online teaching and learning process going on? Good. Shall we start today lesson number 2? The title of the lesson is First World War and Russian Revolution. Actually, the yearning of the Western European countries for expansion of the empire and acquire new territories, means colonies, resulted in these countries going to Asia and Africa. Thus, they established their colonies and expanded their rule. Consequently, these aroused a competition between European nations to establish colonies. This greed for colonialism among the Western European nations caused the economic, social and cultural ruin of the Asian and African countries. And the result of this on world politics was such that the First World War, means Bolshevik Revolution in Russia, etc., took place. So dear students, let's study about this in detail. The first point means Western European and colonialism in Asia and Africa. The Western European countries wanted to expand their empire in Asia and Africa. Their greed for colonialism did not spare even their neighboring countries. Spain had taken control over Netherlands, Belgium, and later on some of their provinces were captured by France. When the Portuguese king died without and Portugal came under the rule of the Spanish king because of his blood relation. So, for 6 decades, the monopoly of establishing colonies in non-European countries was with Spain. Similarly, Italy and German states became the victim of the greed of France and Austria, and when the European powers were tightening their grip over the Asian and African nations, and many of the European nations which had become free following the footsteps of England made many of the Afro-Asian nations their colonies. In this picture you can see this is the means picture of different this is the picture of the First World War, and the next point is colonialism in Asia. After strengthening its grip over India, England expanded its empire in Sri Lanka, Myanmar means Burma, Singapore and Malaysia. England entered China also, but due to the opium trade between England and China, there were wars which came to be known as Opium Wars in history. China lost this war and thereby lost five its ports to England, where England could carry on their trade and thus expanded their empire. And taking advantage of China's weakness, Japan, Russia, Germany, France, Belgium and even America also acquired trade and political rights also. Enormous oil resources in the desert region of West Asia attracted the Europeans to establish colonies there, and England, Germany, Russia and America established oil companies in Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Bahrain and made efforts to take care of their own interest. Now in this picture you can see the yellow part, that is Russia, means green part is China, and the blue part is India and Afghanistan, now today's Pakistan also. So all these states, all these countries, they were captured by European countries. Now colonialism, the definition just I explained. So the exact definition is, okay, it is defined as control by one power over a dependent area or people, and it occurs when one nation subjugates another, conquering its population and exploiting it, often while forcing its own language and cultural value upon its people. So, by hook or crook, European countries, they captured and they had very good control over language and cultural values of the country. Now, how African countries, were captured by European people, means the Dutch people established its colony for the first time at the end of 15th century in South Africa. The first time in South Africa, which people came? Dutch people. And after that, England and France established their colonies in Cape and Algeria in North Africa, respectively. The vast provinces of Africa seemed quite suitable for acquiring new material and selling ready products post-industrial revolution, and because of which European countries competed to establish colonies. And King of Belgium seized the vast provinces of Congo and established his rule. England established his colonies in Egypt and some provinces of East Africa and some of South Africa. France established its colonies in Tunisia, Morocco and West Africa provinces, and Germany established its empire in some provinces of East and West Africa. Means the total Africa, East, West, South, all African countries, which is very small provinces, were captured by European people. And you can see in the map also that the whole African continent was captured by European people. And even Germany establishes empire in some province. Yes, I have just told you. And then different African territories were divided among the European nations at the end of the conference. Thus, the colonial dominance of different European nations were established over the entire Africa. While on one hand, the greedy European nations were trying to colonize various Asian and African territories. On the other hand, Germany and Italy had completed the progress of its respective political unification. Thus, the unified Germany plunged into the competition of industrialization, commercialization and colonialization. And thus, these quickly changing global phenomena had exploited some of these countries politically, economically and socially, due to which their development had stopped, and this had led to the First World War. दोस्तों, यूरोपियन लोगों ने अफ्रीका और एशिया के अंदर कंप्लीटली अपना एक हक जमा दिया था और पूरा इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, कॉमर्शियलाइजेशन कर दिया, कॉलोनलाइजेशन कर दिया, और पॉलिटिकली, इकोनॉमिकली एंड सोशली all these provinces and small states were totally ruined, and they developed very deep rooted, and this is the main cause for the First World War. Now we shall discuss about the factors of caused First World War. The First World War started, and what were the root causes for the First World War. I have mentioned in yellow points, means economic factors and militarism. So the first point is economic factors. The First World War could be considered as one of the most heartbreaking and unforgettable events of the modern world. Many factors were responsible for this, and this First World War began on 1st August 1914. Please remember this date. Once again I repeat, the First World War began on 1st August 1914, and Germany had defeated France in the Sedan War, because of which France had to sign the Frankfurt Treaty, according to which France had to pay a war fine as well as give away two of its provinces. So, this First World War was really a very tragic incident in the world of history. England had established its vast empire in Asia and Africa in the 19th century, and it exploited its colonies economically and became rich. And due to industrialization and swift colonization, Europe required huge quantity of raw material. In the last quarter of the 19th century, Germany had started the competition to procure the markets in Asia and Africa. Germany started supplying cheaper goods in comparison to England and France. The Afro-Asian markets that England and France dominated were thus broken by the Germany, and consequently there was an intense economic competition between Germany and England. Now, military, यानी कि सैनिक का power. So this was again one of the main cause for First World War. Military force was necessary and important for the competition that the European nations got into. For expansion, England, France, Austria, Russia, etc. had begun expanding their military power, which in countries like Japan, Italy and Germany, compulsory military training had started, and production of weapons was increased under the pretext of self-defense, and thus militarism got an impetus, and military competition added to economic competition created a serious atmosphere of world. यानी कि सबके अंदर एक डर हो गया था कि सामने वाला देश हमारे ऊपर दुश्मन अटैक करेंगे तो हम अपने आप को कैसे बचाएंगे. तो all the countries they started production of weapons and they increased the military power also. Now the third point for the cause of the war is groupism, means secret treaties. Let's understand the definition of treaty. Means the secret treaty is a treaty, means international agreement which the contracting state parties have agreed to conceal the treaty's existence or substance from other states and the public. And groupism and secret treaties played a major role in the First World War. The world was divided into two groups before the First World War. On one side was the group of Germany, Austria, Hungary, Bulgaria and Turkey, while on the other side was the group of England, France, Russia and Japan. A feeling of jealousy, enmity, mistrust, fear and hatred evolved between the groups, which was an important factors of the First War. लोगों के अंदर एक जेलसी हो गई थी, लोगों के अंदर एक डर हो गया था, लोगों के अंदर एक नफरत हो गई थी. तो ये सब मिला के एक अलग अलग देशों का एक ग्रुप बन गया और एक ग्रुप दूसरे ग्रुप का दुश्मन बन गया. तो ऐसे फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर की शुरुआत हुई. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज फीलिंग ऑफ फियर्स नेशनलिज्म. द इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ बेल्जियम एंड ग्रीस and the unification of Germany and Italy were the result of nationalism, but later the feeling of nationalism took an extreme and narrow form in Europe, and economic jealousies, competitions and colonialism in Europe had increased so much that the national interests of each other began to clash, and leading European nations began teaching extreme and destructive nationalism to its people. Love for own nation and hatred for the other nations was encouraged. The German chief Kaiser William was the other originator of nationalism and colonialism, and he was over ambitious and believed in world leadership, and he wanted to get things done according to his will with the help of his grand military power. यानी कि ये बहुत ऐसा चाहता था कि अपनी अपनी ताकत से पूरे विश्व के ऊपर वो राज करे. And the feeling of war spread across other nations as a Germany, and this had resulted in the First World War. So these are the reasons for these are the causes for the First World War. Then the next cause is role of newspaper. So आपको ऐसा लगता होगा कि सर न्यूज़पेपर कैसे कॉज हो सकता है. कि दोस्तों न्यूज़पेपर जो है, न्यूज़पेपर ने लोगों के अंदर एक ऐसी फीलिंग्स पैदा की, ऐसी एक इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड की कि लोगों के अंदर बहुत एक झील पैदा हुई. सो लेट्स रीड. न्यूज़पेपर्स played a vital role in allowing people to commemorate important events during the war, both broadly and personally, helping to illustrate and pinpoint events both big and small with the tangible evidence, allowed people to give context to personal letters along with other important life events that might have sat side by side in the same scrapbook. Means the newspaper of the European nations aroused so much of hatred among the people with their mutual, derogatory, provocative, exaggerated, and also write-ups by spitting venom against rival nations that the rulers of the respective nations could not even make efforts for establishing peace and harmony. Then philosophy about war. The philosophy of war is welfare took root in Europe. The German writer Trotsky published maxims like only the mighty deserve to live. The war alone, the national need. The German writer expressed war as a sacred work. यानी कि एक फिलोसॉफी जिसको हम कह सके कि गंदी फिलोसॉफी, एक ऐसी फिलोसॉफी लोगों ने बताई कि युद्ध क्या है, मीन्स व्हाट इज वॉर, तो कि वॉर इज वेलफेयर. दिस वाज द फिलोसॉफी अकॉर्डिंग टू सम पीपल. एंड सम पीपल सेड जर्मन राइटर बिलीव्ड that what is war, कि war is a sacred work, यानी कि युद्ध एक पवित्र कार्य है. तो how is it possible? So in different minds of the people, they thought war and they gave different definitions. The Prince of Austria and his wife were assassinated by being shot at by a member of the Serbian terrorist organization. The name of the organization was Black Hand, and Austria blamed Serbia for the involvement in the act and gave an ultimatum to hand over the culprit to Austria within 48 hours, and Serbia declared its ignorance in this matter. यानी कि एक दूसरे के ऊपर ब्लेम कर दिया, सर्बिया ने ऑस्ट्रिया के ऊपर और ऑस्ट्रिया ने सर्बिया के ऊपर. एंड ऑस्ट्रिया gave ultimatum of 48 hours, and within 48 hours if you do not open the suspense who killed the Prince of Austria, we will directly attack on your country. So it was a very dangerous situation for the Serbia, and the First World War had begun with this, and पूरा विश्व युद्ध यही घटना से पूरा विश्व युद्ध शुरू हो गया. My dear friends, in this video I will not discuss the whole lesson, and the next part I will discuss in my next video. Okay, my dear friends, after part 1 and 2 I will give you a workbook also. Okay, I hope you are understanding and understanding all the points, and after watching this video I request all of you that please read and refer to the textbook also. Okay, my dear friends, thank you very much.